my channel Kartik Kaur, and today I'm in Delhi Zoo, and here I've come with my friends and I'll show you around. Delhi Zoo, officially known as the National Zoological Park, is a significant attraction located in New Delhi, India. Spanning over a vast area, it houses a diverse array of wildlife species from various parts of the world. So guys, for the entry ticket, we have to book it online, and also we booked it online. It's because there is no counter. So for the adults, it is rupees 70 per head. Children between 5 to 12 years is rupees 30 per head, and children below 5 years are free. So guys, I have to warn you that no eatables are allowed inside, and also we carried some sandwiches and they're not allowed, and also there's no food in also the zoo. So you have to keep the food in the clock room if you're carrying it. And we also carried some sandwiches, so we immediately ate that up. So yeah. So guys, look, this is a fish, and it's made out of old waste and some plastic, and it even has tennis bats, and it's really creative and nice, right guys? Visitors to Delhi Zoo can observe a wide range of animals including lions, tigers, elephants, giraffes, monkeys, birds, reptiles, and many others. The zoo provides a valuable opportunity for people to learn about different species and their habits. Apart from viewing the animals, visitors can also enjoy educational programs and exhibits that highlight conservation efforts and the importance of protecting endangered species. So guys, somebody told me that there's a crocodile here and there are a few ducks, so I'm trying to find it, but no, I cannot find it. So guys, this is a battery operated vehicle, and you have to go to the ticket counter place if you want to go in it, or you can rather go walking. And then you can stop any place, and this is the ticket counter. You have to wait in the line, but it's a really big line, but it just finishes in two minutes. So guys, this is a ticket price for the battery operated vehicle, and for the grown-ups for the battery operated vehicle it is 70 rupees, and for the children it's 40 rupees for the battery operated vehicle. And right now we're sitting, and yay, woohoo! Delhi Zoo serves as both an educational and recreational destination for families, school groups, and tourists. It offers a chance for people of all ages to connect with nature and appreciate the beauty of diversity of wildlife. Additionally, the zoo plays a role in wildlife conservation by participating in breeding programs for endangered species and promoting awareness about environmental issues. It's a jungle cat. Guys, look, it's a jungle cat. It's moving around and it looks so pretty, right?
It's a fox. Fox. What animal is this? No, this is golden jackal. It's gone inside.
Oh my god. Here's are fighting. You cannot see it right now.
No battery car, now we'll walk.
No.
No.
Guys, look, the deer are fighting, right? They're fighting with their horn. Go the first deer! Go the first deer!
Oh yeah, they're fighting, man.
With the horns.
See? It's not only you animals fight, they also fight.
Deer one will win. Deer one will win. Oh my god. Deer one will win. Oh look, the baby deer. A baby deer. It's getting boring. Oh my god.
Ooh.
Oh. You want to see the deer match instead of
Fight is not over yet.
No, it's a match, not a fight. It's a deer match. Guys, it's really important to see a deer match because it's really important and you get good luck. So, okay, you should watch a deer match. Guys, look, it's a rhino. Isn't that cool? Peacock and rhino. Peacock, rhino. That's a peacock. That's a rhino.
And where is Rhino going for a stroll?
It's going to the forest. Look at the side. Another one. Rhino.
Shania, look here.
Oh, it's a baby rhino. So fat and big.
Bye-bye. He's coming to say hi.
It's coming. I can see the peacock. We can run even faster than a rhino. There. Oh, it's there. Oh my god. Oh bhai, oh bhai, oh bhai. You. Guys, I think these two rhinos are gonna be friends today. So that's their goal today. Be friends and be nice to each other, okay? Guys, now we've come to see the birds. Guys, these are blue and yellow macaws. They're really pretty, right? They're beautiful. So guys, the first bird is having a chili and the other bird is trying to eat the first bird's chili. What? Are they sharing food? Really, bro? So guys, these are some hippopotamus and they're bathing, maybe they're having fun in the water, they're playing together with their families, like sisters and brothers or sisters and moms, right? So yeah, I think they're having really fun. And look at the crocodile. If you guys can see it, then like the video.
What is it?
Lion! And if you guys cannot see, then subscribe. It's because it's really blended. And guys, look at the lion! Roar! Roar! He's taking pictures. He's making a style, like a grumpy face. Guys, look, there's a peacock too. She's really pretty. And now this is an elephant. Yay! It has a really long trunk and it's so big. I think it's the biggest animal in the world, right guys? Really? And the tallest is giraffe. Elephant. But it's so big and cool.
What is it?
It's so big and giant. Elephant.
What have you seen?
An elephant in the zoo. And the peacock.
See, somebody has come to feed him. Oh, it's there. Come here.
Guys, look, there's a white tiger sitting over there. It's so cute, right? And here's another tiger too. It's a white tiger. But it's a dummy. But it's a white tiger. That's really cool. And guys, look, say hello hello to Mr. Ostrich, my new friend. He's so cool. He's like a model. He's walking around and dancing. He's saying, "Oh, everyone, take a picture of me." He's so big and has such a long neck. He has black and white feathers too. He's so cool. He's a bummer model. He's dancing like this. He's dancing like that. So guys, this is the last animal we're seeing. It's because it's 4:30 right now and the zoo's gonna close at 5 o'clock. But guys, these ostriches are so cute. We cannot leave them. They're like models, cute models.
What have you seen?
Ostrich! We are in the zoo! And we can see its bum. Don't say that, Kyra. We can see its bum. What's coming here? Ostrich! He's like swimming. He's a model. My model.
Actually, they are thinking that they are models.
They are walking like models.
Yes, that big one is. He's walking like. Forever. Oh my God! I want to see the
coming again. मुझे तो मजा आ रहा है.
Enough for the camel. So please don't come. Hello, Mrs. Please wear some
Done? Say bye.
Bye. Okay guys, so I hope you liked the video as much as I did, and also I really like the animal and I recommend you to come here to enjoy and stay with animals, and it's a really clean place and it's so neat. So yeah, and subscribe and hit the bell button. Bye.